Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports through Digvijay Singh ji.
Thank you, Chairman Sir. I rise to present the 371st report on review of autonomous bodies and institutions, NTAA, NAAC, draft UGC regulations, ICHR, ICPR, ICSSR, IAAS, Shimla, and Oroville Foundation under the Department of Higher Education pertaining to the Ministry of Education of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy, Sri Harsh Mahajan ji.
Sir, I wish to lay a copy of the 10th report, Hindi and English versions, of the Standing Committee of Energy, 8th Lok Sabha, on the subject performance and evaluation of solar power projects in the country as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Statements of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, Sri Sanjay Seth ji.
Sir, I wish to lay on table a copy each of 5 statements, Hindi and English version of a Standing Committee on Finance as listed against my name in today's revised list of business.
Statements of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy, Sri Harsh Mahajan ji.
Sir, I wish to lay on the table a copy of each of the 3 statements, Hindi and English version, of the Standing Committee of Energy as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you.
Statements by Ministers, Sri Sanjay Seth ji.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendation contained in the 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th report of the Standing Committee of Defence on demand for grant 24-25. First report on General Defence Budget, Border Road Organization, Indian Coast Guard Defence State Organization, Defence Public Sector Undertaking, Welfare for Ex-Servicemen and Defence Pension Demand number 19 and 22. Second report on Army, Navy, Air Force, Joint Staff and Ex-Servicemen Contributory Health Scheme, demand number 20 and 21. Third report of the Capital Outlay on Defence Services, Procurement Policy and Defence Planning, demand number 21. And fourth report of Directorate of Ordnance, Coordination and Services, New DPSUs and Defence Research and Development Organization, demand number 20 and 21, pertaining to the Ministry of Defence.
Shriman Thogan Sagu ji.
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6.2 पर आवासन और शहरी कार्य मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2024-25 के संबंध में विभाग से संबंधित आवासन और शहरी कार्य मंत्रालय संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के पहले प्रतिवेदन 18वीं लोकसभा में अंतर्वृष्ट सिफारिशों सम्मुक्तियों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई के संबंध में समिति के चौथे प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्वृष्ट सिफारिशों सम्मुक्तियों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में एक वक्तव्य सभा के पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Honorable members, I would like to refer to the tragic